So in Unit 3, you are very much familiar about regular expressions. You have learned it in internal 2, I guess, completely. So you know what is regular expression, its introduction, meta characters, special characters, and what are its methods. You might have missed these topics. Named groups were also there. So I'll again take you through these two topics. So we have seen what is regular expression. It is used to search any particular pattern, and we import RE module for the same. We have methods like find all, search, sub, split, and we also have match object. Then we have various meta characters, special characters. Then we have something called as named group. Named group in regular expression is allows us to assign a name for capturing some particular group. So it makes it more readable and easier to access that particular captured content, because we are trying to uh, find out some search or find some pattern, right? So its syntax is something like this, in which we use this parenthesis or circular bracket or round bracket, right, inside which we will write our capturing pattern like this. So this is the capturing group. So this name can be is anything, like it is user defined identifier followed by which we will be having our pattern. Let's see an example. In our example, we are first importing our module, then we have some text example, after which we are creating a pattern inside which we are capturing some groups. If you can notice, in name we are capturing names in similar way. Question mark p. Then we have user defined identifier as name over here, followed by the pattern. What is the pattern we are giving over here? Words, all the words. Then second, if you can notice the difference between these two, the identifier is name, the identifier is age, then followed by which we have the pattern digits. Here we have words, here we have digits, because age is number. In similar way, we have city and words, like that. Then in as we do it regularly, we will use our search method, then we will print it. So all the meta characters and its short, in short, the tabulated form is over here, along with the named group, that is capturing, capture and group. We use this parenthesis. Then next we have glob module. So glob module is a built-in module by using which we will find out the path names, or like we can search some particular file names, path names, etc., etc., using some patterns. So primary purpose is to simplify the task of listing the files and directories to match a certain pattern. For example, if we want to find any file that is ending with .txt or .py extension, or anything that is starting with some specified word or something like that, for example, something starting from Apple, something ending with .txt, something ending with .py, like that. So in this, we have something called as wildcards. We have four different wildcards. First is asterisk. It matches zero or more characters. Okay. Then we have question marks. Just like meta characters, we have different meta characters, right? Similarly, we have wildcards over here. So question mark matches any single character. Then we have enclosed in square bracket, we will have some group of characters in from which it matches any this particular pattern matches any single character within that particular set of characters. For example, if we have the characters like A, B, C, it can match either A or B or C. The opposite of which is not this one, this pattern. It will not match the particular character. It will match the characters other than this. So let's see an example. We are importing a simple example idea. We are importing a glob module. So first, we are trying to list the files that are ending with .txt. So see, text files glob, okay, asterisk .txt. Whatever we are finding, we are printing it. See, text files found, file1.txt, file2.txt, etc. etc. So whatever is ending with .txt will be printed. Next, we are trying to list the files that are ending with .png. So glob, um, asterisk .png. PNG files, whatever PNG files are present, like some image .png is listed over there. Lastly, we are trying to find a file that is starting with file. I mean, a file name is starting with file. So file starting with file. Okay. So glob file asterisk. So file1.txt. See, it's starting with file. File2.txt. It's starting with file. For example, you have something like data in place of file ABC. So whatever files are starting with ABC, ABC1.txt, ABC2.txt, those will be listed there. As simple as that. So this blob module can be used to list the files. And we have few wildcards over there. Yeah, it has glob function. So glob function from glob module returns a list of string where each string is a path to a matching file or directory. Hope this helps. Yeah, all the best.